What up, YouTube, man? We back at it in the garage, man. We about to get some work in today. But today, like I said, we about to take action on the Silver Bullet, man. I really want this giveaway over with, and I appreciate everybody tapped in and copped them a keychain, a hat, everything. The support goes the longest. Even the people entered the handlebar giveaway with the stickers, man. So I appreciate everybody for all of that, man. Seriously, and I'm so serious when I tell y'all, today is going to be the day we're going to go live for that. I'm not going to pick a time because I want to get this bike paint set on here complete. We are sliding, not hiding. Y'all see what's going on. We about to get this work in, so stay tuned and buckle your seatbelt, man. Yes, sir. Well, would you look at that? We got the paint set out, man. This paint is looking so clean and fresh with that silver. I am loving it, y'all. The gas tank is nice and clean. It's that clear under these bright LED lights. Let me wipe the camera. We got to make sure this thing is on 100% clean. Let me get all the cracks and crevices. Yes, sir. I am loving it. Oh, y'all lucky. Got the Silver Bullet in effect. This thing is hidden. It's crazy because this bike was really looking wild. I'm gonna put some before pictures. Everything is looking nice and clean. That's silver, man. Yes, sir. Look at Antonio getting his little symbol on. This thing is wet, dude. I'm loving it, y'all. I am loving it. Look at that wraparound. We got the gas tank, front gauges, bag, rear fender, side panels. I just noticed he got one bag. He got my left side bag because that was a broken bag, so I ended up getting another one. Forgot about that. We're gonna get that tomorrow. But y'all see what's going on. We got the whole interfering wet up, looking good and clean, man. It's crazy. I'm loving it. Look at the back fender. Nice and wet. Yes, sir. I'm so hyped up now, y'all don't even understand, dude. I'm loving it. That's why I said I can powder coat this frame, but I know we can get it going ASAP. I done had these bikes long enough. Like, I'm trying to get this stuff on the road. Look at that. Yes, sir. I'm loving it. Silver looking good. I got to get another light up here. It's too dark back here, but y'all see what's going on, man. I am loving it. Ooh-wee. Yes, sir. It's looking good, dog. It's time to get it assembled, though. We're gonna start with this inner outer fairing. I'm gonna do the back fender, get all that going. Cause I'm telling y'all, it can be here and it can be done and it's possible and I'm capable. So I'm going for it and I'm trying to tackle and assemble this Jones. So stay tuned, man. Y'all see what's going on. We got the paint looking good. It's amazing. I'm blown away, but we're about to get it going, man. It's only the beginning. Y'all see what's going on, man. Yes, sir, man. We got the powder coat laid out, looking good. You see what's going on, man. I'm telling y'all, y'all better enter the win today for this joint for 25 bucks. We about to get it assembled, but I had to show y'all what's going on because I'm telling y'all, all this stuff been in here, man. We didn't have it in here for a minute, but it's good. Today is going to be the day we getting it done. I'm telling y'all, we sliding. So we just pulled out all the pieces out of there, out of the box. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, as anxious as I am to see this bike get assembled, I am not that desperate to put these dirty, super dirty parts on this bike. Look at all this. Literally everything is super dusty. The whole interfering, everything. So we're about to go outside, open the garage, wash it down, rinse it down, clean it up, and then we're gonna assemble it because I'm not trying to keep having dirty prints then going on a bike, adding more dirt. So it's like, we got to keep it nice and clean, man, how we been doing it, and that's how we gonna keep doing it. But let's clean this stuff up, man. All right, so we got everything back inside of the garage. Look how much cleaner everything is. I didn't even use the soap because I know how them soap and all that. I don't want that stuff sitting in the sensors and stuff. I didn't even want to use the water, but I had to. So I just used my hand to clean it and scrub it. But everything is looking a lot much better, man. Literally everything, y'all. Now see what's going on, man. We got everything cleaned up, fresh black, looking good, looking so much better than it was. So now it's time to assemble, but I'm telling y'all, I just can't do the dirty stuff. We didn't get all this painted and all powder coated to still be putting dirty stuff on the bike. But we gonna clean the bike too. We're gonna wash that down too. So stay tuned, man. We're about to get it in. So we got a lot of progress on the bike. I'm about to get me some food in the crib because your boy is out here looking crazy. I literally got up and got straight to it, moving all this stuff. That's why I have on my pajama shirt, sweater, pajama pants with the steel toe boots. Looking crazy, but we are making progress. This is not the complete look of the bike, so this is only the beginning. But y'all see what's going on. We got the front end assembled, which got to get a radio for this joint. I got to find this other gauge and this other side radio speaker. It probably was missing from the jump. We switched the gas console with the other previous gas tank over there. Now we got the back end coming together. I just put the rear crash bars. I have the rest over there. I got to find my hardware for the rear fender, both the rear fender on. I'm going to put that, assemble that bag, get that on there, put that outer fairing on. I would put the wraparound on to get an image, but I know I still got to put the cans on here. Those got to come off, so I'm going to leave that off. But we got it going. Y'all see what's going on, man. We're getting there little by little, man. Getting everything assembled, getting ready for that first startup. As soon as we get this motor, we're going to head to LA probably later on the day so I can go get my rims, see if they done at the powder coat shop. But we got progress. That's why I said, man, get in to win it for $25 a day. All you got to do is go in the description below if you haven't done it yet. Cop you a SLIDN keychain, a SLIDN HIDN keychain, a Built by Dre keychain, or a Kicks by Dre cap. Any of those 4 products is going to be an entry into the silver bullet giveaway, man. Y'all see what's going on. We got the paint wet up, looking good. We getting it done, attacking this thing, knocking it out the park, man. So stay tuned. We about to keep it going, though. We only getting this started, man. Yes, sir, man. So we are back from our lunch break. I literally went shopping in my shed of parts, and we got a whole fender with the 4 bolts that I need since I can't find the 4 I have for this. So irritating because I'm telling y'all, that transition I did from my apartment and my shop to the house that I am now in was a huge huge situation I've never done before. My mom's house to the apartment was way easier, but going from there to here, I got stuff everywhere. I'm still unboxing, as y'all see. So it's like, it's a process, but we got what we need. So we're about to go ahead and assemble this, put this on here. I think my tail light bar was broken on here. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna get a fresh black one in like the next day or so. So I'm not gonna bolt that because I can fully bolt the fender because I still have to take off the wheels to put the new set of rims. So when I put on that new back rim, I'll bolt the new light bar for that. But in the meantime, between time, we're about to get these parts onto the bike, man. So stay tuned. Y'all see what's going on, man. We almost there, big dog. So that's a wrap, man. We got the front interfering fully on here, bolted up with everything looking nice and good. I am missing 2 pieces besides my bag. Antonio got my whole top cover piece that I got painted to match. So we gotta go ahead and get that. But y'all see what's going on, man. We got this thing looking good, coming together. I really cannot wait because I'm telling y'all, it's not the way I want to see it yet, but I know the vision in the process. So I'm telling y'all, the back look good with the orange. The front gonna have the orange bars with black legs. The wheels have a combination of black and orange, so it's gonna look so good. I'm telling y'all, just wait on it. Everything is about to come together in very little time. So just buckle your seatbelt, man, because I'm telling y'all, it's game time and I cannot wait. But today was a good day. We got a lot of progress done on this joint, most certainly. I was glad that we got it done. So I'm telling y'all, time is valuable right now. I'm still in the pajama pants, but it's good. We about to get to it. I had to get this done so I can show y'all what's going on. We're about to go live for these handlebars. So if y'all watching this video, we should be going live within like the next hour or so. I'm getting everything ready right now. So if you got your numbers for your handlebars, man, get ready. Today is the day, y'all. We about to go up and make it happen. But make sure I enter the win for the silver bullet giveaway, y'all. I'm telling y'all, we are sliding, not hiding, man. This is going to be one of y'all bikes with the truck. This silver is the same silver as the truck. I'm telling y'all. Stay tuned, man, because it could be yours, man. All you got to do is enter in the description below. We sliding, not hiding, y'all.